Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact device model and current build, so you install the correct Android 9 package. This prevents bricking. Once done, back up your apps, photos, and settings to Google Drive or a PC. You'll thank yourself if recovery is needed. Make sure the battery is above 50% or keep the phone plugged in and free at least 2 gigabytes of storage. Now open Settings, go to System, and check for system updates so you can start the download. You'll proceed by downloading the update over Wi-Fi or selecting the official factory image if OTA isn't offered by your carrier. Once the package downloads, confirm checksums if you manually obtain the file. This verifies integrity and avoids corrupted installs. If using ADB sideload, connect to a PC, enable USB debugging, and run the sideload command. Follow the on-screen progress and keep the cable secure. Make sure you accept any requested permissions. You finish by walking through the system setup, signing into your Google account, and restoring data from the backup. This restores apps and settings quickly. Once booted, check settings about phone to confirm Android 9 is installed, then update apps in Play Store and adjust any notification or permission changes introduced by the upgrade. If the device won't boot or behaves oddly, reboot into recovery, clear the cache partition, and only then consider reflashing the factory image. This often resolves stubborn startup problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.